Greetings from Vienna, Austria. I'm excited to share the wonders of this grand and charming city with you. Vienna is a city that seamlessly blends its imperial past with a modern, vibrant present. From its magnificent palaces to its world-renowned opera house and its lively markets, Vienna offers a rich tapestry of experiences that will captivate any traveler. Join me as we explore the top 10 must-see attractions in this enchanting city, uncovering hidden gems and sharing practical tips along the way. Our journey begins at Schönbrunn Palace, the former summer residence of the Habsburg emperors. As you stroll through its meticulously manicured gardens, imagine the grandeur and opulence of the Habsburg court. Step inside the palace and be transported back in time as you explore the lavishly decorated rooms, each with its own unique story to tell. Don't miss the chance to admire the intricate details of the palace's Baroque architecture, a testament to the artistic brilliance of the era. From the Grand Hall of Mirrors, where Mozart once played for the Empress Maria Theresa, to the private apartments of Emperor Franz Joseph and his beloved Sisi, Schönbrunn Palace offers a glimpse into the lives and legacies of one of Europe's most influential royal families. As you wander through the palace's vast grounds, take a moment to appreciate the beauty of the Gloriette, a Roman-style triumphal arch perched atop a hill, offering breathtaking panoramic views of the palace and its surroundings. Before leaving Schönbrunn, be sure to visit the Schönbrunn Zoo, one of the oldest zoos in the world. Home to over 700 animal species, the zoo provides a delightful opportunity to learn about wildlife conservation and observe fascinating creatures from around the globe. Next, we find ourselves at the Vienna State Opera, a true icon of musical excellence. Even if you're not an opera aficionado, a visit to this grande dame is a must. Take a guided tour to delve into the history of the opera house and marvel at its opulent interiors. From the grand staircase to the plush velvet seats of the auditorium, every detail exudes an aura of grandeur and sophistication. Imagine the legendary performances that have graced this stage, from the works of Mozart and Strauss to the voices of renowned opera singers from around the world. If you have the opportunity, try to catch a performance and experience the magic of opera in this historic setting. The Vienna State Opera is a testament to the city's enduring passion for music and the arts. For a more casual experience, consider attending a ballet performance or a concert by the Vienna Philharmonic Orchestra, both of which also call the Vienna State Opera House their home. The Vienna Philharmonic, known for its exceptional musicianship and rich Viennese sound, offers a truly unforgettable musical experience. No visit to Vienna is complete without a stop at St. Stephen's Cathedral, a masterpiece of Gothic architecture that has graced the city's skyline for centuries. As you stand before its imposing facade, take a moment to appreciate the intricate details of its stone carvings, gargoyles, and towering spires. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a sense of awe and tranquility. The cathedral's soaring ceilings, stained glass windows, and ornate altars create an atmosphere of reverence and wonder. Take some time to explore its many chapels, each dedicated to a different saint or historical event. For a truly unforgettable experience, climb the South Tower for panoramic views of Vienna. As you ascend the narrow staircase, you'll be rewarded with glimpses of the cathedral's intricate roof design and the bustling city below. Once you reach the top, take a deep breath and savor the breathtaking panorama of Vienna's rooftops, church spires, and surrounding hills. Our next stop takes us to Belvedere Palace, another stunning example of Baroque architecture. This sprawling palace complex, once home to Prince Eugene of Savoy, a renowned military commander, is now home to a world-class art museum. As you enter the palace grounds, take a moment to admire the elegant French-style gardens, adorned with fountains, sculptures, and meticulously manicured hedges. Inside the Belvedere Palace, you'll find an impressive collection of Austrian art, spanning from the Middle Ages to the present day. Don't miss the highlight of the collection, Gustav Klimt's iconic painting, The Kiss. This masterpiece of Art Nouveau, with its shimmering gold leaf and embrace of love and passion, is sure to leave a lasting impression. After exploring the art collection, take some time to relax in the palace gardens. Find a bench in a secluded corner and enjoy the tranquility of your surroundings. Or treat yourself to a coffee and pastry at the Palace Café, savoring the flavors of Vienna in a truly majestic setting. Let's take a break from the grandeur of Vienna's palaces and head to the Prater, Vienna's oldest and most famous amusement park. This sprawling green space, located on the banks of the Danube River, offers a delightful mix of thrill rides, classic attractions, and traditional Viennese charm. No visit to the Prater is complete without a ride on the giant Ferris wheel, one of Vienna's most iconic landmarks. As you soar above the city in one of its slowly rotating cabins, you'll be treated to breathtaking panoramic views of Vienna's skyline, the Danube River, and the Vienna Woods in the distance. After your Ferris wheel adventure, explore the Prater's many other attractions, from roller coasters and bumper cars to shooting galleries and haunted houses. Indulge in a sweet treat at one of the many food stalls, or enjoy a traditional Viennese meal at a beer garden, soaking up the lively atmosphere of this beloved amusement park. We return to the heart of Vienna and the Hofburg Palace, the winter residence of the Habsburg emperors for over 6 centuries. This sprawling palace complex, a symbol of Habsburg power and influence, now houses a variety of museums, government offices, and cultural institutions. Begin your exploration in the imperial apartments, where you can delve into the daily lives of the Habsburg emperors and empresses. Marvel at the opulence of their private chambers, dining rooms, and reception halls, each adorned with exquisite furnishings, paintings, and decorative objects. Don't miss the Sisi Museum, dedicated to the life and legend of Empress Elizabeth, affectionately known as Sisi. Discover the story of this beloved empress, from her fairy tale romance with Emperor Franz Joseph to her tragic assassination. Explore her personal belongings, including her elegant gowns, jewelry, and beauty secrets, and gain insight into the woman behind the myth. Prepare to be dazzled at the Kunsthistorisches Museum, one of the world's finest art museums, and a testament to the Habsburgs' passion for collecting. Housed in a grand neo-Renaissance building, the museum's vast collection spans centuries and continents, offering a captivating journey through art history. Step into the world of ancient Egypt as you explore the museum's Egyptian and Near Eastern collection, home to mummies, sarcophagi, and other artifacts from these ancient civilizations. Marvel at the intricate craftsmanship of Greek and Roman antiquities, from marble statues to delicate pottery. The museum's collection of European paintings is equally impressive, featuring masterpieces by renowned artists from the Renaissance to the Baroque period. Feast your eyes on works by Italian masters such as Raphael, Titian, and Caravaggio, as well as Flemish masters such as Peter Bruegel the Elder and Peter Paul Rubens. Our next stop takes us to the Albertina, home to one of the world's most important collections of prints, drawings, and modern graphic works. Housed in a magnificent Habsburg palace, the Albertina offers a fascinating glimpse into the world of graphic arts, from the Renaissance to the present day. Explore the museum's extensive collection of drawings by master artists such as Michelangelo, Leonardo da Vinci, and Albrecht Dürer. Admire the delicate lines, intricate details, and masterful use of light and shadow that characterize these works on paper. The Albertina's collection of prints is equally impressive, featuring works by renowned artists such as Rembrandt, Goya, and Picasso. From etchings and engravings to lithographs and woodcuts, the museum's collection showcases the diverse range of techniques and styles used in printmaking over the centuries. Prepare your taste buds for a culinary adventure at the Naschmarkt, Vienna's largest and most famous market. This vibrant open-air market, stretching for over a kilometer, is a feast for the senses, with its colorful stalls, enticing aromas, and lively atmosphere. Sample local delicacies such as Viennese sausages, pretzels, and pastries, or indulge in international flavors from Turkish delight to Asian spices. The Naschmarkt is a melting pot of cultures and cuisines, reflecting Vienna's cosmopolitan character. After browsing the market stalls, grab a seat at one of the many cafes and restaurants lining the market. Enjoy a traditional Viennese coffee and sacher torte, or savor a glass of Austrian wine while soaking up the lively atmosphere of this beloved market. For a breath of fresh air and a break from the city's hustle and bustle, escape to the Vienna Woods, a sprawling forested area on the outskirts of Vienna. This UNESCO World Heritage Site offers a tranquil escape from city life, with its lush forests, rolling hills, picturesque vineyards, and charming villages. Take a leisurely stroll along one of the many well-marked hiking trails, breathe in the fresh air, and enjoy the tranquility of nature. The Vienna Woods offer a variety of trails for all fitness levels, from leisurely walks to challenging hikes. Indulge in the region's culinary delights at a traditional Hurija, a cozy wine tavern where local winemakers serve their own wines and homemade delicacies. Sample regional specialties such as Wiener Schnitzel, Tafelspitz, boiled beef, and apple strudel, accompanied by a glass of locally produced wine. Vienna is a city that stays with you long after you've said Auf Wiedersehen. It's a place where history, culture, and charm intertwine to create an unforgettable travel experience. Whether you're captivated by its grand palaces, enchanted by its musical legacy, or charmed by its cozy coffee houses, Vienna offers something special for every traveler. As you plan your own adventure to this captivating city, remember to pack your curiosity, your appetite for delicious food, and your sense of wonder. Vienna awaits, ready to share its treasures with you.